In this video we are going to know how to make a powerful fertilizer for winter vegetable plants that provide them energy as well as nutrition. So it's a liquid fertilizer that you can use on your younger seedlings up to the harvest stage. It works really amazing because it have all the required nutrients, so let's know how to make it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. As we know, there are so many types of vegetables that we can grow at home from seeds, but basically all of them requires around same type of nutrients for their healthier growth and blooming. We can include some rich sources of these nutrients in our fertilizer so they can go through the roots to our plant or in our growing vegetables. Winter vegetable plants requires nitrogen for a healthier growth of their leaves, phosphorus for the faster growth of their roots, and potassium for healthy blooming and fruiting. Beside that, some nutrients are required in small amounts but have a very major role. Like calcium in required is small amounts, but their deficiency can cause issues like black patchy leaves and rotting bottom in tomatoes, etc. So this is why we should also add a good source of these microelements as well. Such type of a fertilizer with all of these nutrients works as an all-in-one fertilizer for our winter vegetable plants. By the way, if you don't know what are the winter season vegetables, a detailed video on this topic is added in the description box. You can check out that. So now let me shortly describe you some very useful benefits of using this liquid fertilizer on your winter vegetables. The regular use of this organic fertilizer gives a healthy boost to your younger seedlings, provide them energy and strength to fight with pests and diseases. It helps them grow fast, making a heavy root structure. Yellow and patchy leaves wouldn't appear again. It makes the soil softer and porous as well. In overall, this liquid fertilizer works best for winter vegetable plants. You can use it as your regular fertilizer and keep fertilizing your vegetable plants and seedlings every 7 to 10 days during the winter time. So now let's know what ingredients makes this fertilizer so much powerful, and you can get all of them from the description box. The first and our main ingredient is the tea powder, because it is a rich source of nitrogen, and nitrogen is required by the plant from the germination stage. It also makes the soil acidic, that is very beneficial for flower producing vegetables. You can use the waste of tea powder, but I am using the unused tea powder. Our next ingredient for vegetable garden fertilizer are the leaf molds. It is very easy to make leaf molds. Simply take a few dry leaves and crush them with your hands, and they are ready to use. They provide nutrients to the plant for its new growth and for more branches. You can also buy leaf molds from the description box. Use of cow dung compost in our vegetable garden fertilizer is extremely useful, because it not only contains nitrogen, but also a very wide range of other microelements as well. It makes the soil softer, makes the plant resistant of pests and diseases, and faster growth of leaves appears as well. A complete guide on cow dung benefits is also added in the description. Must check it out. Our last ingredient is a very beneficial thing, because it makes the roots stronger, and induce more flowers and fruits on the plant as well. It's mustard cake, that you can get very easily from the description box link. Because it's made up of mustard seed remains, therefore it have all the plant required nutrients as well. One last thing that you should add is the jaggery, because we are making a liquid fertilizer, and jaggery helps in the faster decomposition of these other ingredients, so must add it. Put all of these ingredients in a liter of water bottle and let it in the shade for a few days. Don't place this container in a room, because it makes a little smell. You can put it in an open area. As the liquid turns its color, then you can use it. But first you have to dilute this fertilizer with 5 to 6 parts of more water. Now you can add this liquid into your winter vegetable plants. Dig the upper layer of soil and let it dry for a while, then add a glass of this homemade liquid fertilizer in every 10 inches of pot. You can use this liquid every 10 days, and you can also adjust the dose according to the pot size and plant age. For the most efficient results, fertilize the plants in the evening time during the growing season. So it's all about this vegetable garden liquid fertilizer. For any question, leave a comment below. And if you are growing tomato plants, I think you should try this fertilizer instead.